Ever caught yourself wondering how to catch the eye of a younger woman, but found yourself at a loss? Today, we're going straight to the heart of what makes you stand out to them. No fluff, no unnecessary detours, just solid, actionable advice tailored for an older gentleman like yourself. From embracing your age with confidence to refining your lifestyle in ways that speak volumes, we're covering the essentials that bridge the gap and spark interest. Ready to shift your approach and see the difference? Let's get into the specifics and make those connections meaningful. And make sure you stick around for our bonus tip at the end, which really brings everything together in a powerful way. 1. Act your age. Older gentlemen have a certain allure. It's the sophistication, the knowing glances, and the calm in the middle of a storm that make you stand out. Embrace that. You've navigated life's ups and downs, and it's this journey that makes you compelling. Being genuine is key. This isn't a call to dust off your old college jersey, but to mix that timeless sense of style with the wisdom you've accumulated. You're not competing with younger men. You're in a league of your own. Think of it as blending the classic with the contemporary in a way that highlights your best features. Your maturity is your asset. Younger women are drawn to stability and depth, qualities you've spent years cultivating. It's not about the age on your driver's license, but the stories you can tell and the calm assurance you bring to the table. This assurance is attractive. It says you know who you are and you're comfortable in your skin. So, lean into your age, let your experiences shine through in the way you talk, the way you walk, and in the quiet confidence that you project. After all, authenticity never goes out of style, and it's your authentic self that truly resonates. Being true to yourself isn't just liberating, it's magnetic. 2. Keep yourself in shape. This isn't about chasing after a six-pack or looking like the guys in magazine ads. It's about vitality, that inner energy that keeps you moving, exploring, and enjoying life to its fullest. Adopting a fitness routine that fits your lifestyle means finding activities you enjoy. Not everyone is made for the gym, and that's okay. Maybe your rhythm is found in a morning swim, a brisk walk in the park, or even gardening. The goal is to get moving in ways that feel rewarding, not punishing. Consistency here is key. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Physical fitness boosts more than just your physical health. It sharpens your mind, boosts your mood, and can even be a fun way to meet new people with similar interests. It's about setting a pace you can maintain over the long haul, ensuring that you're not just living, but thriving. Remember, the best workout is the one that happens. By integrating movement into your daily routine, you're not just investing in your physical appearance, but in your overall well-being. And well-being is attractive. It's a magnet for positivity and opens doors to new connections and experiences. So, lace up those sneakers, find your groove, and enjoy the journey to a healthier, more vibrant you. It's the best investment you'll ever make. 3. Focus on your career. A stable career and financial independence are not just checkboxes for personal success. They are signals of your capability to manage life's challenges. They whisper of reliability, foresight, and the ability to provide, qualities that hold undeniable allure. Financial independence speaks volumes. It says you're not just surviving, you're thriving. It tells a story of a man who can navigate through storms, make calculated decisions, and stand firm when the going gets tough. These are the threads that weave the fabric of security and stability, traits younger women admire for their promise of a solid foundation. Ambition, too, plays a critical role. It's the fire in your eyes when you talk about your work, the passion that drives you to pursue excellence. Ambition is magnetic. It draws people towards you, inspired by your vision and drive. It's not just about the financial rewards, but the character it builds. A man who is always reaching, growing, and striving for more. So, let your career show who you are and what you value. It's not merely a job, but a reflection of your ambition, your commitment to stability, and your readiness to take on the world. These are the qualities that make you stand out, painting you as a beacon of strength, stability, and ambition in a sea of uncertainty. Embrace your career, not just as a profession, but as a vital part of your identity that resonates deeply with those around you, especially the younger women who value depth, stability, and a man who knows his worth. Loving the insights so far? Show some support if you do. A quick like, dropping a comment, or hitting subscribe truly goes a long way. Thank you so much. 4. Be adventurous and open to new experiences. This approach to life is especially appealing when bridging the age gap in relationships. By showing a willingness to explore, whether it's a new hobby, cuisine, or travel destination, you demonstrate a youthful spirit and a zest for life that is contagious. Adventure doesn't always mean jumping out of planes or trekking through the jungle, though if that's your thing, more power to you. It can be as simple as trying a new restaurant, attending a concert for a genre of music you're unfamiliar with, or even taking a class to learn something completely out of your wheelhouse. The point is to step outside your comfort zone and embrace the unknown with open arms. This openness to new experiences does more than just keep life interesting. It fosters growth, understanding, and a deeper connection with those around you, particularly younger women who may place a high value on novelty and discovery. Shared experiences become the bridge that narrows the age gap, creating bonds built on mutual exploration and learning. By maintaining a curious mindset, you become more than just your age. You become a companion on the journey of life, someone who values growth and adventure. This approach not only enriches your own life but makes you incredibly attractive to those who value depth, discovery, and the willingness to embrace life's endless possibilities. So, challenge yourself to try something new, and enjoy where the journey of curiosity can take you and those you connect with. 5. Stay informed and relevant. Keeping up with current trends, pop culture, and technology shows that you're not just existing in your own era, but are actively participating in the world as it evolves. Understanding the latest social media platforms, streaming the newest hit series, or being in the know about viral memes might seem trivial, but it's this shared cultural knowledge that can spark lively discussions and shared laughter. It shows you're open, adaptable, and interested in the world that younger companions inhabit. This isn't about pretending to be someone you're not, or forcing interest in every fleeting trend. It's about finding common ground and showing that you're engaged with the world in its current state. Whether it's discussing the latest Oscar-nominated movies, sharing your thoughts on new technological advancements, or just knowing the top hits on the charts, these details add layers to your conversations and relationships. Moreover, staying updated with technology not only keeps you relevant, but also broadens the ways you can connect. Embracing messaging apps, social platforms, or even the latest gadgets can keep you in the loop with not just younger women, but with a rapidly changing world. So, dive into the now. Read, watch, listen, and play. It keeps your conversations fresh, your relationships dynamic, and your perspective ever expanding. In the dance of connection, being informed is your best step forward. 6. Build a meaningful connection. Building a meaningful connection transcends age differences, focusing on mutual respect, genuine interest, and open communication. It's the art of diving deep into someone's world, understanding their dreams, fears, and everything in between. This kind of connection isn't about superficial commonalities, but about valuing the unique experiences and perspectives each person brings to the table. Engage in conversations that matter. Listen more than you speak, showing a real interest in her thoughts, feelings, and daily experiences. It's not just about agreeing on everything, but about understanding and respecting each other's viewpoints, even when they diverge. This level of engagement demonstrates that you value her as a person, not just as a companion. Communication is the golden thread in any relationship. It's about being able to share your own world while being genuinely curious about hers. Discuss your passions, share your wisdom, and be open to learning from her experiences too. It's through these exchanges that a deeper bond is formed, one that isn't hindered by the number of candles on your birthday cake. Wrapping up with a bonus tip that's golden: embracing good manners and hygiene, alongside projecting a sense of security, are timeless traits that radiate attractiveness. These aren't old-fashioned ideals, but the bedrock of making a positive impression, especially with younger women. Good manners, a simple please and thank you, holding the door, or attentive listening, speak volumes about your respect for others and yourself. They signal that you're considerate and cultured, qualities that are irresistible and foster a welcoming environment for anyone in your company. Hygiene, too, is non-negotiable. It's not just about looking good, but feeling good, and showing that you care about your well-being and that of those around you. A neat appearance, fresh breath, and clean clothes might seem basic, but they're the foundation of making any interaction pleasant and drawing people closer. Lastly, a sense of security ties it all together. Being someone others can rely on, showing stability in your actions and decisions, provides a comfort level that's deeply attractive. It's about being a safe harbor, someone who can be counted on, which is a rare and cherished quality. These fundamental qualities, good manners, hygiene, and a sense of security, are universally attractive. They transcend trends, making a significant impact on how younger women perceive and are drawn to you. Embracing these can set you apart, making you not just noticed, but remembered and valued. So, let these timeless traits be your secret weapon in connecting genuinely and deeply. Now that you know how to get noticed, what's next for you? Discover the signs younger women think you're attractive, or learn the best compliments to give her. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.